Hi everybody, Friday again, another wet one. Today I'm just, well, if you see under there, if you can just see out of the mess, the spaghetti hanging down, I've started to pick the bus wires. Moving over, I'm now onto this section. As you can see, more spaghetti. And I'm actually soldering all these and just using the connectors there. Last time, when I did the bus wire, I used these kind of like plastic crimp things. But I found out after a time that they just seem to spring loose and I was getting bad connection. So I'm not using them this time. I'm kind of like soldering all the track down, putting the end of the wire, soldering the end of the wire, then plug it into those. So hopefully it'll be a better sort of connection. But we'll soon find out when I plug her all in. What I've done here is this track that's totally empty here. I'm actually going to use that. I'm not going to wire that into the system. I'm going to use that. Oh, sorry about that. I'm going to wire that in as my program track, so that I can physically plug it and unplug it. Or else I've just got a bit of track lying around like I did on my last layout. If you see, I've got two power connectors here. The green one's for the main track and the black one's for the program track. So 5 months later, I've got the DCC back. So that's 2 lines running. But the best thing will be that is so great to hear. what I've done here is, my first DCC was a power cab, and if I had more than 2 lines running, it was a nightmare. Just to try and go back to Locos, if something derailed or something, it's just a no-hoper. So I've actually picked this up, which plugs into the, it's another NCE product. It's called the Cab 6, and this fits into the other plug that you get with the power cab. So now I'm controlling the goods train with the power cab, and I've entered the details of the A4 in here. So hopefully, yeah. So it works similar as the power cab. So now I should be able to control it. This is all new, obviously, so a bit of trial and error. So it should make it a bit easier if you want to control, you know, like between 4 and 6 lines. Right, my next test is to see how Cox North goes up this incline. She's actually got 6 teeps on her, so the A4 did it before when I was testing, but I would really like the A4 to do it with 6, but anyway. I'm getting some wheel spin. Anyway, it's great to have some Locos running on DCC. I've still got so much more to do, but getting there. I haven't wired all the tracks up yet, so that's an ongoing job, then obviously next job it's a point motors. So there you go. And like I say, thanks for watching. And if you haven't, please subscribe. And I always answer the comments, so if you have got a comment, positive or negative, please say something. Alright, bye.